It takes only 30 minutes to reach Auli from Joshimath via car. There is also an option to reach here by the ropeway which starts from Joshimath. Once you reach here, the first thing that you see is the GMVN Tourist Rest House. Today we are trekking up to Garsan Bugyal. It is basically an acclimatization trek before we go to Pangatchula. Right now we are at Auli and you can see the wonderful view which is available from here. Right from Nilgiri to Gori Parbat, Hathi Parbat and the other peaks. This is exactly the place where the skiing festival also takes place. It's wonderful. We are at the helipad of Auli. You can see the helipad over here, and we are getting wonderful views of peaks like Nilgiri. Then to the right we can see Ghori Parbat and then Hathi Parbat. Further right we can view Mount Burman, the cone-shaped peak. And we are extremely lucky today to get a view of Nanda Devi peak as well. It is absolutely clearly visible from here right now. Nanda Devi, as you can see, and further towards the right we can also view Vitartoli peaks. Hello, you can see Nanda Devi peak over there. This is the Bugyal. It's lush green right now because this is in the month of May end. You can see cows grazing. These are the fields which in the month of January, February are usually covered with snow. Well, now it's presenting its lush greenery. We are almost there to our last point for the Garsan Bugyal trek. Over there we'll be resting a bit. We'll move into the nearby jungles and then move down to Joshimath and prepare for Pangatchula trek from tomorrow onwards. Our team Mr. Shubroto.
Hello.
Ashok Sen. That was a 56-year-old dance. And this is my wife, Somita Chandra.
Hi.
We are at the last point of the ropeway, which starts from Joshimath up till this Auli. You can see this. This is the last point, and it is going straight down to Joshimath. There is a nice cafeteria over here where you can rest and have some snacks. That is exactly what myself and my team is doing right now. And then we will proceed further up into the jungle, the trail you can see. This way also leads to the Garsan top. Right now we have come slightly above Auli and we are about to enter this golden oak jungle. This area is covered with golden oak trees. As I understand from the locals that this tree has got certain importances, like the trees, the leaves of this tree help in preparation of mehendi. We will check out if we can get hold of some leaves as such. These are the golden oak trees. We have now reached to the starting point of Garsan Bugyal. As you can see right behind me, this is where the Bugyal starts and further ahead it goes, leaving beneath it the golden oak forests. A wonderful expanse. If someone happens to come by in the winter months, they will get these areas covered with snow. This is a part of the Garsan Bugyal, and right over there you can see the Garsan top. The place where I am standing at is around 11,000 feet, and Garsan top is almost 12,000. कितना होगा मुकेश भैया? Okay, 12,300 feet, that is Garsan top, and we are around 11,000. It's a wonderful expanse. You can see lush green outfields. The complete area is a part of the Bugyal, Garsan Bugyal that is. Our team members taking rest. The top of Garsan top over there. We are right now at around 11,500 feet, and the complete Bugyal can be easily viewed from here. It's wonderful. Have a look. We came all the way down from there.